What is up, guys? Welcome back. It has been such a long time. I've missed you guys so much. I just got off work and today is a day where I just said enough is enough. Like, I've been making so many excuses. Oh, it's been so long. There's nothing I have to talk about. They probably don't want to hear from me. I'm going to be inconsistent again. I probably won't post. So many excuses. Don't mind my hair. I'm getting ready now, so this will look different in a minute. 10 minutes ago, I literally just got the urge that I'm going to go buy things that I've wanted for maybe the last 6 months. And not just random things, but things that I've been wanting that's going to enhance my videos. And investments. I'm going to make investments. Now, these investments are not the best financial choices to make today because, not gonna lie, you know, money's tight, bills are tight, groceries are increasing, y'all know what's going on. But if this was for anybody else's story, anybody else's dream, their goals, I would be in it 100%. I don't care what I have in my bank account. I'm gonna find a way to support you. I'm gonna find a way to give to your vision. And I can't do the same thing for myself. It has been months and months and months of wanting a new camera and wanting a new mic. Granted, I'm not going to go and be reckless and buy a whole new camera, but I can go to the used camera store and buy a new mic. And I'm going to do that today. We're going to go do that today because enough is enough. And at this point, I'm doing the world a disservice by not doing what my heart is feeling. But before we leave this house, I am going to finish getting ready. I just had to intro this video. Let's go ahead and get ready to go. I'll see you guys at my first stop. Hopefully my boo thing is with me. If not, we're going to get it done still.
Okay, guys, so the first stop we're making is going to be at Fleet Feet, and I came here so that I can get some running shoes, walking shoes, mainly walking shoes, but also if I want to run, I can. I have not personally bought any running shoes ever, so I was excited to do this. I've always wanted some, and I just wanted to invest in just having proper foot care. So yeah, I went here and it was a really cool experience. Very awkward at first. I'm an awkward person though, so yeah. He brought out 3 different shoes for me to try. This is me doing some footwork. And the first pair was some Sauconys, and then the next pair, I believe, yeah, New Balance. And then the last pair was some Brooks. All 3 felt really good. I just didn't really want more of the bouncy feel, more of a just like stern but still comfortable feeling. And that's why I went with what I went with, which you'll see, I think, later in the video. Not sure. But yeah, this was a fun experience. I'm so happy to finally have some new running shoes, walking shoes.
So I am looking for this mic, y'all. But I want a wireless mic. Up. I think we're getting closer and closer. Is this? What brings? Oh, this is brandless. Oh, they're right here. I found them, guys.
Hey, did y'all need any help yet?
Not yet. We're still looking, but we're probably just getting a mic today.
Oh, one of these?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Which one are you thinking?
Oh my gosh, it comes in a case. Gee. Maybe it comes with a little case. That cat's inside. I think it's a charger. And then the actual mic. I didn't know whether to get the mini or the regular one, but the guy said he recommended the mini, so. And I just want a mic to talk to y'all, if I can be honest. I really didn't care.
So it is the same thing.
I actually don't even know how to work this, if I can be honest.
Yeah, and look at no instructions.
No instructions. I forgot how to take this on and off. I am back at home. As you can see, I'm so excited to be testing out my new mic. How does it sound? I'm not sure if the audio is perfect or if it's too low, too high. If I should I don't know yet, but we'll see all of that when I'm in post and I'm editing and all that stuff. But I did get my running shoes. You guys saw a little bit of footage of me trying that on in the store. I did not get much footage in the camera store, whatever that was, because it happened so fast. But these are my babies. They're like rose gold and pink. There's some Sauconys. I think they're called Ride 6. And I love them. I'm so excited to, you know, take them. Oh, Ride I9, Ride 19. Child, I don't know, y'all. But they're really nice and I really like them. And then, yeah, you saw me get the camera, or maybe you didn't. But I'm loving it so far. I cannot believe I finally have this mic. I have been wanting a mic and some running shoes for the longest. So it's so nice to finally have them. Babe has went back home. I'm about to cook dinner. We did not play tennis because it got cold and he was tired from work and he would have played tennis. Let me say that because he's gonna watch this and be like, I would have played with you. This is true. He would have, but I'm just like, it's okay. It's cold. I don't really want to anymore. I want to go home and test out my new toys. And that's what we're doing. So hopefully he gets some good rest tonight. I'm going to make some dinner. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and cook because we're hungry. So tonight for dinner, we're making some salmon bites with green beans and rice. I already have my rice cooked All I need to do is make these green beans. And I like to buy my green beans from Central Market, so they're like the fresh ones. I'm just gonna take a few out for tonight. It's just so crazy having this mic. Oh, I don't think nobody understands. I'm so excited. I hope y'all day is going good. I'm excited to be back on the camera, back vlogging. I literally got my mojo back, and I'm just gonna be praying that this mojo stays. I know that there will be ups and there will be downs, but what I'm hoping is that I can just keep going and show all of that, the ups and the downs. That's what life is about. It's not just always showing up perfect, and that's something that I'm really just learning. I cannot always be nice. Skirt, looks like a work. So now we're gonna go ahead and prep my salmon. So I'm gonna be doing like I really love salmon bites with the honey sauce and all that stuff. So freaking good, y'all. I'm excited to see how the mic do. I put enough green beans in there for tomorrow too, so hopefully that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and put some extra virgin olive oil down on my pan for my salmon. I'm gonna just put a little bit down, and I'm gonna also add some butter for extra crisp. Drop that down. Now we need to season up the salmon. I'm just gonna be going in with some regular pepper. I'm gonna go in with salt. And just do to your liking, you know, whatever you like. I'm gonna do to my liking. And we're gonna go in some paprika. I like to call it paprika because I'm a little country girl. And I'm only putting this all on the top, and then I'm gonna toss it and add more. If you can't see the seasoning on it, it ain't seasoned. And I know when you're doing it like this, it can look like it's well seasoned, but once you start stirring it, it ain't really seasoned for real. So I just like to do it in batches. Season, toss, and then add a little more until I just feel confident that it's gonna be tasting good. I don't like to add too much salt. I might have added too much butter, speaking of stuff, and I am gonna still add like a honey garlic sauce to this, so we don't want it to be too much. So we're gonna drop one down and see what it's talking about, this heat. Pretty sure I might have added too much butter, but it should be okay. I'm dropping all my salmon down. While these three are cooking, let me show you what we're looking like on my salmon. Look at them. Oh. The sauce is looking magnificent. It looks so good. And we're just gonna add that salmon back up in this, and dinner is served, y'all. And I got enough rice for tomorrow for lunch, so this is like perfect. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start cleaning up because the kitchen is looking crazy and I don't want to be doing a lot. No, not at all. All right, guys, so I have my dinner. I am so excited. I got me a crisp apple Let's taste this food. I'm hoping it's not too lemony because that was a lot of lemon. And my rice turned out perfectly, honestly. It was hard at first because I was like, this might be old, but it turned out perfect. I could have did a lot more soy sauce, but it's still really good. My green beans are exactly how I like them. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. I'm done recording for the night.